Nassim Taleb is a well-known philosopher and economist who has written extensively on the subject of risk and uncertainty. In his book, The Black Swan, Taleb introduces the concept of antifragility, which is the idea that some systems and entities actually benefit from stress and disorder rather than being harmed by it. According to Taleb, an investment portfolio that is anti-fragile is one that is able to weather economic crisis and other unexpected events and emerge stronger as a result. One of the key ways in which Taleb suggests that individuals should invest their money is by building a diverse portfolio that includes a mix of low-risk and high-risk investments. This approach is designed to minimize the overall risk of the portfolio while still allowing for the potential for significant returns. One way to achieve this balance is through the use of barbell investing, which involves allocating a large portion of the portfolio to extremely low-risk investments, such as government bonds and cash, while also investing a smaller portion in high-risk, high-return assets, such as stocks and real estate. By doing so, investors can take advantage of the potential for significant returns on the high-risk investments, while also having a safe haven to fall back on in times of economic uncertainty. Another important aspect of Taleb's investment strategy is the concept of skin in the game, which refers to the idea that investors should only take risks that they are personally invested in. In other words, rather than relying on financial advisors or professional fund managers to make investment decisions, Taleb suggests that individuals should take an active role in managing their own portfolios and making their own investment decisions. This approach allows investors to fully understand and accept the risks they are taking on, and to have a greater sense of control over their financial future. In addition to diversification and skin in the game, Taleb also emphasizes the importance of being prepared for unexpected events. This means having a sufficient emergency fund in place to cover unexpected expenses and being prepared for the possibility of market downturns or other economic crises. Overall, Taleb's approach to investing is focused on building a diverse, anti-fragile portfolio that is able to withstand a wide range of risks and uncertainties. By diversifying across different asset classes, being personally invested in the risks they take on, and being prepared for the unexpected, investors can build a strong foundation for their financial future and increase their chances of success in the long run.